Hello there, and welcome to Avoiding Foreclosure on your Arizona home, a short sale tour. My name is Sean Bonini. I am a licensed real estate associate broker with Arizona Realty One Group in Scottsdale, Arizona, and I will be your tour guide today. If at any time during this presentation you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at the number on your screen or visit us on the web at azhomehelp.com. Again, thanks for being with us. Let's get started. Welcome to our short sale webinar. It's our goal during this presentation to help you better understand the short sale process and what we can do to help you avoid foreclosure. We're going to answer questions during this presentation, such as what is a short sale and who qualifies, what will be required of you, and what should you expect during the process. We'll talk about what are some of the advantages of a short sale versus a foreclosure, and why working with our team at azhomehelp.com is a step in the right direction for you and your family. We'll also answer a few more of your frequently asked questions near the end. But first, let's tell you a little bit about ourselves. We are a team of licensed professional brokers in the state of Arizona, and all of our agents and agents that we work with are licensed and regulated by the Arizona Department of Real Estate. We specialize in helping homeowners who owe more than their property is worth, and we have an in-house proven system and plan to help you avoid foreclosure quickly and confidentially. Unlike other agents, we have the training and experience to handle difficult transactions such as short sales. We adhere to a strict code of ethics policy and always put you first. Also, there is no commission charged to you for our services, as we are paid directly by the lender. We are not attorneys, CPAs, or credit counselors, so this is our disclaimer. Please seek their advice to discuss issues specific to your situation. We are not investors, and we will not buy our home for some lowball price for cash in 7 days, which your bank would never accept anyways. We will never ask you to sign over the deed, we'll never ask you to give us an option on the property, and at no time do we take ownership. We absolutely will never sell or disclose any of your information to any third parties not involved in this specific transaction. Let's take a look at some numbers here on the state of Arizona from Time magazine in March of 2009. It states that over 31% of Arizona homeowners owe more than their property is worth. That's almost 1 out of every 3 people owe more money on their home than their home is worth. Arizona also has the 3rd highest percent of property depreciation in the country, after only Nevada and Michigan. And some area homes here in the valley have lost more than 65% of their value. We're not the local media, and we don't make money selling newspapers or headlines, so we're going to tell you the good news too. Arizona is still the number 2 growing state in the country and will continue to be a great place to live, work, and raise a family. Arizona is now an affordable destination again, and there are many, many buyers out there for homes, including yours. Arizona will continue to be a great buying market for the next few years. Just 24 months after a short sale, you are eligible for a new Fannie Mae home loan, just in time to purchase a new home and take advantage of the appreciating market. So what exactly is a short sale? A short sale is when your mortgage lender or lien holder agrees to take less than is owed so that you can sell your home. Take a look at the example. Let's say the value of your home is $300,000 in today's current market, but your mortgage balance is $375,000. This means that you are upside down or short $75,000. Basically, your home is over-leveraged, underwater, or upside down. You may be behind on payments and you cannot sell for a high enough cost to cover what you would owe. Lenders actually created short sales as a foreclosure alternative, as they would definitely prefer that you do a short sale versus a foreclosure, because foreclosing on a property costs the lenders much more money. What are some of the other benefits of a short sale? Well, there's no foreclosure listed on your credit report. There's generally no money needed to close. You don't have to do any repairs because we sell all of our short sale deals as is. And there's no taxable event for those that qualify. There's no deficiency judgment if we can get your bank to negotiate it. And you're completely out from underneath your mortgage debt. So there's no need to file bankruptcy, and there's a positive step towards homeownership in just 24 short months. Who qualifies for a short sale? In general, to qualify for a short sale, you must simply be experiencing a hardship, you must be in danger of missing a mortgage payment, or maybe you've missed one or more already. You must be facing imminent default or in a must-sell situation. So basically, you must not have the means to be able to continue to make your payments. You must not be able to pay off the balance, and you must have no equity in your home. What are some types of qualifying hardships? Some of the more common hardships that we see are listed here. How about a mortgage rate adjustment? Are you having an arm reset? Or have your mortgage rates already changed? If so, chances are they're higher than what you're used to paying. How about an increase in monthly expenses? Anything from utilities, credit cards, grocery bills? Do you have any need to move or to relocate, maybe for a job transfer? Are you receiving any type of reduced income? Or maybe you're recently unemployed. Are you having health issues which is forcing it to be difficult for you to work? How about the death of a spouse, separation, or divorce? All of those can be financially trying. Do you have an excess of medical bills? Or if you're in business, is there a business failure, cutbacks, or have you been a result of downsizing? Any reason that you are unable to make your mortgage payment can be considered a qualifying hardship. So what do you need to do? Well, you need to contact us so we can prepare your short sale package and get your property listed for sale. We must have all the required documents to begin the process. However, most homeowners can gather the information that's needed within an hour or so. We then prepare the package, send it to the lender, and we confirm receipt within 72 hours. What paperwork do we need for our short sale package? Well, the lender is going to require a few things. Some of them are listed here. We'll need a hardship letter that explains your situation, when it started, how it happened, and what you're doing to fix it. We'll need a financial worksheet, which is a quick monthly budget that just shows your monthly expenses as well as your income. We'll need 2 years of your most recent tax returns and your W-2s, 2 months of recent bank statements with all accounts and all pages, and 2 most recent pay stubs. We'll need an authorization to release information from you so that we can speak to your lender. We'll also need a copy of recent mortgage statements, copy of any correspondence received regarding the property from attorneys or lien holders, any liens or judgment information, any property tax records you may have, and then also contact information for your HOA. After you've provided us with all the paperwork for your short sale package, most of your job is done. However, we do ask that you help us throughout the process. We ask that you allow us to show the property, keep it in showing condition, and stay available for us so that when we do get a buyer, we can have your signature on it quickly. We also ask that you cooperate with all our marketing efforts. If for some reason the property is vacant, please leave on the utilities if possible. Every short sale deal is different, and none of them close exactly at the same time. However, we try to put together a list of averages here just to give you a general idea of what it looks like. Basically, we prepare and file the short sale package and send it off to the bank. That's in about the first 48 hours. Your home is then beginning to be aggressively marketed by our team, so we can find you a buyer as soon as possible. We'd like this to go no longer than 45 days, and sometimes it can happen in the first week. Once we do receive a purchase offer from the buyer, we negotiate directly with you, the seller, for about approximately 72 hours before we can get all the paperwork into the bank. We then submit all purchase offer information, which takes another 24 hours. The bank orders and confirms an appraisal, which can take up to 2 weeks, and we just begin our negotiations with the bank, which can last up to 30 days. Then, once we receive the approval notice, the buyer has 21 days from the agreement to close. Sometimes they can close quicker. After that, your property is sold and you have avoided foreclosure. Speaking of foreclosures, one of the questions we get quite often is, my property is already set to foreclose. What can I do? Well, if you're scheduled for a foreclosure sale date, please be sure that we are immediately aware so that we can get the date postponed. We have had quite a lot of success with this. However, the more notice we have, the easier it is for us. We can still help you, but we do need to expedite the file.